Very sexy. Chocolate.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is T and this is Tea Time, where we do fun and crazy things. If you're new here, thank you for coming. If you're not, thank you for coming back. I forgot to film my intro, so just enjoy this little clip of me just doing, I don't know, whatever. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications and I'll see you in the next video.
I put on some weight all in my face and all in my arms and stuff, and like in my belly, so I'm not really feeling that great and that confident about myself. Do you know what I mean? And it's a bit tough. It's a bit hard out in the streets. Like it's hard out here. Right, so my makeup is nearly done. I just need to do my lashes and then do my hair and then get ready, but I think my camera's gonna die soon, so I'm gonna see you when I'm all glammed up, you know. Bye.
Hey guys, so if you guys are wondering where I got this top from, I've actually got a video up on my channel. It's a try on haul, so make sure you check that video out. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias, my Instagram and my TikTok, so you guys can see a bit more of my life outside of YouTube. And yeah, just follow me. So basically I was trying to take some content and then this stupid camera died, and then now I'm just having to wait until it charges up a little bit, but wait. But anyway, I look cute, don't I? Looking cute and whatever. I don't even know what to do, honestly. Like, I've been trying to think of like what videos I can do, and I'm like, cool, baby girl, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. You know when you just feel so like you're just floating, you know? Now it's even raining. This is pathetic fallacy, and it's absolutely pathetic. I'm over it, absolutely over it at this point. But you know, I was actually at a shoot yesterday, and with the girls that I was with, like we were talking about lockdown and stuff, and like how it's been for all of us. And lockdown has been okay, like the whole situation has been okay, but at the same time, like I'm actually tired at this point, because I feel like just let me out. Do you know what I mean? Like I want to go shopping, I want to go to restaurants, I want to go eat food, I want to meet people. Do you know what I mean? I just want to enjoy my young youthful life. Do you know what I mean? I don't want to spend my whole life in lockdown doing nothing, not being able to make the content that I want to make, and then just it's so frustrating, so frustrating. But anyway, this is me in my home. Me in my home. Me in my home. Me in my home. Don't get my shit away. I was trying to make my people sting, yeah. Trying to make my people sting, yeah. Girl, you're so fine. I know I'm fine. Girl, you're so cute. I know I'm cute. Girl, yo, ma, let me get your number. You want my number? You want my number? I want your number, girl. I want your number, because you're fine. Oh, you think I'm fine? Oh, you acting like I didn't know that. I've been known that I was fine, okay? Like, did you just know that? I ain't just know that, but you know, like, I'm just trying to let you know that you're fine. I'm just trying to get to know you a little bit more, mom. Like telling me, like, give me your number, man. Like, yo, like, if you're gonna come to me, you gotta come to me correctly, okay? I want to see them cash dollars. I want you to make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, okay? Okay, girl. I mean, like, I can give you what you want, whatever you want, girl. I got you, baby. I got you. I got you. You got me? I got you. You got me? I got you. You got me? I got you, man. I got you, baby. You know what I'm saying? East side, west side, south side, north side, you know what I'm saying, man? You know what I'm saying, man? I don't know what you're saying, because I'm from the hood, okay? I'm from the hood, okay? I'm a rich bitch, okay? I got some money, okay? My parents be doing some real ass shit, okay? Okay. Girl, I know what you mean, but you know, you gotta take a chance on me, mom. Take a chance on me. Why should I take a chance on you? Because you fine, and I'm fine too, and I can give you that life that you want. You know what I'm saying, ma? I'm gonna have to think about it. I mean, what car you driving? I need to know what car you driving, okay? Girl, baby girl, you gotta trust me, man. You gotta trust me. I got that 4K on the head now, on the hand sound on that. You know what I'm saying? Girl, do you see this cloud? Do you see this cloud? I don't know what you're saying. What does that mean? What does that mean? Right, yeah, we're done. Oh, let's do TikToks. How does it go? I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty. What nasty? I'm savage, girl. You ain't no savage. You a church girl. I know. Right. Oh, by the way, I bought this piano. Okay. Oh, I thought my address was on there. I was gonna say, girl, like, what you doing? They got some crazy people in the world. So yeah, let's unbox this because, you know. Look at the strength! Look at it! Look at the motherfucking strength! Ooh. Let's go again. Look at the strength! Right, this is what we got. We got a keyboard. Bruh, skitty dip pop pop. Skitty dip. Ow, oh, my chin. Ow. Right. See, this is why I be hurting myself too much. Okay.
Few moments later. 3 days later. One eternity later.
Right, and I don't even have a knife next to me. This thing is so big. Ugh. Okay, where am I? You know what? You know what, love? Right, so this doesn't want to open. But you know, we're gonna play. If I could lips you. Right, I need to put this in the corner somewhere. BRB.
Follow me on Instagram. You guys are gonna see that this is part of the reel. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, alright? Alright, cool. Oh, can you relax? What are you doing? Why are you getting very excited? Sit there, Joe. Because this is a mess and I don't like that. Right, so that was Reels 101. Oh, go down low. 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 Two, 4, 7. I will praise you, Jehovah. 2, 4, 7. I will praise you, my 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. That's the end of this part of the vlog. People be like, what do you do on a regular basis? This is what I do. This. Breath. Where's my water? I feel dehydrated.